Hey everyone, Justin again from Rendall's Cleaning.
And I'm Scott.
And we're on day 3 of our rug cleaning of this rug that we were decontaminating from urine. We're making a lot of progress. Water's looking a lot cleaner. Got some wicking going on. I am going to have to probably extract that so we don't keep spreading the contamination upwards. That's where we're at right now. I don't know if you want to show them
Sure.
how clean it is. It's getting pretty good from yesterday. We keep making some good progress as far as the decontamination. We'll just have to get this part that wicked up into the rug. I'll probably extract that out, most likely.
Okay, well, let's show you how the marinator works. And what we've done is put a decontaminant in the bath here. So this is water mixed with the decontaminant. And again, just to recap, we soaked just the edge because that was the area about that big from the edge of the rug up where the cat had gone and done its business for several years. So to address just that edge, what we've done is hooked up this sump pump, and it marinates the water. So we have a constant running flow of lake water, if you will, because it's all stationary water, but at least we have it moving. If we just let it sit there, we don't get the benefit of the oxygen injecting into the flow, and the oxygen helps break down the urine with the decontaminant. So we'll just run this for several hours a day and let it do its magic. You can already tell a huge difference. So, I mean, this used to look like this, and already even the fringe is looking 90% better just because of the decontaminant marination that we've done. Again, we will have to re-secure that edge. I think yesterday we showed too that there was some latex breakdown, and you can actually see the latex on the bottom of the tank there. So that is crusty, dried up, urine contaminated latex that is released from the rug. And here's the other end of the marinator, is that hose, and it just comes over on this side to give us a circulating flow of water and decontaminant. And that's how that works.